welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dale's Addiction. Today I'm bringing you a fabulous Fendi haul. I have a new bag from the June capsule I am so excited to share with you, so stick around for that one. But first, I have something that I picked up in my weekend shopping trip with my friend Nadia. If you haven't seen that vlog, I will pop it up here somewhere, but it's a great new accessory from Fendi that I cannot believe I was not told about and just stumbled across. So here we go. Let's see if you can guess what it might be, because I certainly did have no idea that this was coming. I don't know why I just went southern, but anyway, comes in this box. Give you any indication. Closer, getting closer. So wow, even the dust bag has packaging on. I don't, is this meant to clip inside of the D-ring of a larger bag? Is that what it's for? To stop your sunglasses from floating around? Is that what it's meant to be? I don't know. I like the idea of these cases. They're quite big, but practically speaking, I don't use them. So inside, obviously I've already told you it's Sunny's. Let me just take off the armbands. I picked up these lilac F-lock with silver hardware frames. How amazing. And you can imagine, I don't have anything like this. I was so close to buying this black pair, which were beautiful, which Adam, who's the manager at Fendi Brisbane, said to me, Dale, I will guarantee you'll be back for those black ones. And he's probably right, but I love these and I cannot believe I was not told about them. Lilac, Fendi, silver hardware. What else could be an arrow pointing in my direction? These are just, I love them. I'm just going to keep looking at myself in the viewfinder. But they have like a gradient lens, but it's a very icy lilac, and if I put my hand behind there, you can see there's the F-lock pattern, but it's in silver hardware, and it just makes them super fresh. And most of my sunnies, if not all, are a tortoiseshell or a black kind of tortoiseshell, so not the brown tortoiseshell. And this is a first for me, having a lilac frame, and I am living for it. Okay, the next piece is the only bag, she says now, that I am purchasing from Fendi's June capsule, full of raffia, full of denim, full of beautiful woven nautical inspired pieces. I think I've done a video on that. I'm pretty sure I have. I do so many videos I can't remember. If I have, I'll link it up here and in the description box below. There's some beautiful pieces coming, and more. I think it's launching next week. There's a lot of footwear that I wasn't aware of. There's a lot coming, and probably a lot more coming in the northern hemisphere than what we're going to get down here in the southern hemisphere, because it is your spring summer, but it's applicable to us because we kind of have really temperate winters. Anyway, let me open up this piece. I've saved so much money. May I present to you my Raffia Fendi Peekaboo. I got another Pico. I put this on my Instagram because my Sydney sales associate sent me a text and I was like, oh my God, show me more. And then I had to have it, like I was not going to wait. This is actually a key tag. Sorry, you can hear my dogs shaking in their collars at the moment, but this is a little raffia and leather, that's leather, Pico Peekaboo. If you haven't seen my little green Python one yet, I will link that up above and in the description too. But this one also has a keychain, so it has a clip, which the other one didn't have, and it has this keychain with Fendi Roma on it. So I could take the keychain off if I wanted. I think it's going to make it a little difficult to wear. And again, just like the other one, it has a magnetic opening. So you just pull the top handle, and again, it fits, there's a bit of fluff on there. It fits basically a couple of rings in it, that's it. So I like the idea of this as a bag charm, as a like something that you put on your belt loop. So if I'm wearing a pair of tailored shorts, I might connect this to my belt loop, or as a necklace. So I'm just going to remove the tag. There we go. Oh, people are screaming, going, cut the tag, Dale, cut the tag. And if I put that toward the front and that toward the back, let's see, we'll put it this way. So here it is as a little necklace vibe. I don't know if it works as a necklace with all these hangy bits, and you can see that it's actually attached with like a little leather piece, so that's probably not going to work. It's probably, I don't know why the chain is on there actually, because all of this bit makes it a bit clunky. I mean, it's not always about practicality sometimes. Sometimes it's just my collector tendencies taking over, right, Meredith? But yeah, I do think it will be great on a belt loop, on a pair of trousers, just as like a little touch. But I really haven't thought it through, as you can tell. I just had to have it. To be fair, the larger raffia pieces are rather expensive, but they also have this like caramel brown, which some people just absolutely delight over. I hate it. It's too warm for me. It's not my vibe. Not in large quantities anyway. I don't mind it in my footwear. I don't, warm colours are just not my vibe. But in this teeny tiny little Pico outfit, the chain is removable as well, FYI. I believe I can make it work, and if not, it's just a ridiculous luxury indulgence that I had to have and makes me smile. So that is my Fendi haul. Again, summertime for me, well, your summer, Northern Hemisphere summer, it's just a really happy time. So many beautiful, 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 beautiful pieces. What have you got your eye on at the moment? I would love to know. Hit me up in the comments below and give me some more inspiration. If you haven't already liked this video, what's stopping you? Please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays, and sometimes some extras. I would love to see you back for the next one. Until then, ciao.